Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a frequency table for categorical data using Excel. The Excel version that I'm using right now is 2016, but I think it's similar to 2010, 2013 Excel also. Okay, so anyway, I have two categorical data here under study habit 1, study habit 2. The first one is collected from the first population and the second is from the second population. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it to a new worksheet first so I don't disturb the original data. So I copy and then I paste it in the second worksheet by just say add to add a new worksheet. Then make it bigger. Then what I need to do is I'm going to count how many every day shows up, how many once a week shows up, and how many only before exam shows up, etc., etc. So what I'll do is I'll go insert perfect table over here. Just click perfect table. It would say select a table or range because I have selected this data already, including the column header. So this would be inserted for you. Then I want to choose where you want the table to be placed. Now by default they will place in a new worksheet, but I just want it to be here because this worksheet is blank. So I click existing worksheet and tell where the location would be. So you just click a cell. So the location will be specified here and then you say OK. Then this would be the perfect table that will be produced and there will be a perfect table fields here. Under the perfect table field, you would have a study habit 1, which is the column header of your original data. You left click, hold on to the left mouse click and drag it to row. And then do it the same thing, hold on to the left click and drag it to values. And then if you look at the perfect tables, there should be a count for every day, a count for only once a week, and a count for only before exam. So they automatically count everything for you. Now, in order to make it nicer, like change the table header and everything, I would select and then copy it, and I'm going to paste it with values only in the new place so I can play around with it. You can't really change much here because this is actually produced by the perfect table. They have restriction as to what you can do with it. So you copy the values and then you can change it. So say for example I want to change it to a category or study habit category. And this is actually a frequency for each of the category. Make it nicer. I also want to create a relative frequency, which is a percentage of each category. So I say wrap text. Okay, and then how do you create the percentage? You can ask Excel to help you. So basically you do equal and then you say tell Excel to look at what happened, what value you have in this cell, and then divided by the total. In our case, the total is 18. Okay, so you say equal to this value divided by 18. Equal to this value divided by 18. And I also want to change it into percentage. So I go to the home tab number. Let's click on the percentage. It would automatically change it to percentage. Lastly, I want to, make the table nice and pretty by putting some border around it. And so there I have a frequency table for population 1 that has the frequency count and also the percentage. You can repeat the same thing by copying study habit 2 to another worksheet and do the same thing and produce a new frequency table.